are going to discuss addition of integers with different signs. Okay, here is the rule. To add integers having different signs, subtract the smallest absolute value from the largest absolute value and keep the sign of the number with the largest absolute value. So let's have an example. We have positive 5 plus negative 10. So we are just going to subtract 10 minus 5. So that is 5. Then copy the sign of the largest absolute value. So we have negative 5. Another example, we have now negative 20 plus positive 100. So we have here 100 minus 20, that is 80. And then copy the sign of the biggest absolute value. So positive 80. Let's have another example. We have positive 10 plus negative 8 plus negative 12. So we have here a positive and two negative numbers. So first, we subtract the 8 from 10. So we have 10 minus 8, that is now 2. And then copy the sign of the largest absolute value. And then we add the next negative number 12. So we have now positive 2 plus negative 12. So we subtract 12 minus 2, that is 10. And then copy the sign of the largest absolute value, which is negative. So that is the answer. Positive 10 plus negative 8 plus negative 12, that is negative 10. So that is the answer. So I hope it is clear on how to add integers with different sign. Again, you subtract the absolute values of the two numbers and then copy the sign of the biggest absolute value. So, atin na ngayong itutuloy yung iba pang sample na gagamitan natin ng ating rules in adding integers with different signs. So, halimbawa, mayroon tayo dito na mga numbers na iba't iba ang mga signs. So, negative 8, okay, plus positive 23, hindi ko nalalagyan ng positive sign. So, pagka walang positive, as I said before, pag walang sign, positive. And then, plus negative 14, okay, plus positive 5, okay. So, ito ay iba't ibang signs of integer. So, ang best thing to do ay pagsamahin natin yung pareho ang sign. So, this will be our solution. Okay? So, our solution will be pagsamahin yung pareho ang signs. So, negative 8 plus negative 14. Pareho sila ng signs. And then, on the other side naman, yung 23 at saka yung 5. Pareho silang positive. Okay, so, pagsamahin yung pareho, according to our rule, just add this and then affix the common sign. So, this is now 22, negative, and then plus, this is now 28, and that is positive. So, following now our rule, if we are adding numbers with different signs, to add integers having different signs, subtract the smallest absolute value from the largest absolute value and keep the sign of the number with the largest absolute value. Oh, so, ito 28 minus 22 kasi subtract natin. So, 6. Ano magiging sign ng ating answer? Positive. Bakit? Kasi yung 28 ay positive, which is bigger in absolute value than negative 22. So, this is now positive 6. So, ang answer dito, positive 6. Okay? So, another one. Let's have one more. We have now 13. Positive 13 plus negative 15. Okay? Plus negative 12. okay, plus positive 40. Okay, let's have this. So, what will be our solution? So, first, pagsamahin yung pareho ang sign. So, we have no positive number here, 13. Isasama natin yung positive 40. Okay, so we have plus positive 40. And then, pagsamahin natin naman on etong mga negative numbers. So, we have 15 negative plus negative 12. Okay? So, we add. Okay, same sign. So, we just add. This is now 13 plus 40, that is 53. Okay, plus 15 plus 12, both negative. So, we just add. So, this is 27 negative. Okay, now following the rule, if we are adding numbers with different signs, we just subtract. Okay, so we subtract 53 minus 27. So, that is 26, right? So, in that case, ano magiging sign? Positive. Kasi mas malaki yung absolute value na 53 kaysa absolute value na 27. So, we have here positive 26. So, in that case, ang answer natin dito sa ating problem is positive 26 or just 26. Okay, sana maliwanag yon. Gusto ko ngayong i-try ninyo itong mga numbers na to para sigurado natin na natutunan natin yung rules in adding integers with different signs. Okay, so magbibigay ako dito ng halimbawa. Itra-try nating sagutan. We have here negative 15, okay, plus 35 plus negative 11 plus positive 7. Okay, so try nyo yan, ha? Then, we have now 25 positive plus negative 16 plus negative 19 plus positive 8. Okay, and the last one will be negative 18 plus negative 10 plus positive 55 plus negative 4. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, in that case, bigyan ko kayo ng time para isolve ito. Okay, siguro naman enough time na yon para ma-solve ninyo itong ating exercise. So, pagsamahin yung pareho ang sign. So, mayroon tayong 50, negative, at saka negative 11. Pagsamahin siya, we will have 26, right? Negative. And then, pagsamahin naman yung 35 at saka yung 7. So, mayroon tayo ditong 42. So, we have positive 42 and negative 26. So, positive and negative, we subtract. So, we subtract 42 by 26. So, we have now 16, right? So, 16. So, what will be the sign? Since ang absolute value, ng 35 plus 7 ay mas malaki kaysa absolute value ng 15 and 11. If you add those, so, ang magiging answer dyan ay positive. So, you have positive 16. Tama ba kayo? Okay. Itong susunod, we have 25 at saka yung 8. Positive yon. So, pagsamahin siya. So, you have now 33. Then, pagsamahin naman yung 16 at 19. So, you have now 35. So, 35 negative and 33 na positive. So, we subtract. So, 35 minus 33, that is now 2. And then, you copy the sign nung bigger absolute value, which is negative 35, yung bigger absolute value. Negative 35. So, negative itong ating answer. So, negative 2. Okay? Tama ba kayo? So, susunod natin, yung negative 18, pagsasamahin natin, negative 10 at negative 4. Kasi same sign sila. So, that will become 32. Tama? So, 32 and 55. So, since negative yung 32, ima-minus natin siya mula dun sa 55. So, we will have now 23. So, 23 ang ating magiging sagot. 55 minus 32 is 23. So, 23. What will be the sign? Positive kasi yung 55 ay bigger absolute value kaysa pinagsama-sama nating values ng negative 18, negative 10, at negative 4. Ang rule natin, tandaan, the bigger the absolute value, yung kukunin ang sign. Okay? So, tama ba kayo? Sana tama kayo at sana naintindihan nyo ang ating addition of integers with different signs. Okay, sa susunod nating lesson, see you again! Bye-bye!